Good morning, children. In the previous video, we have studied up to the statement of Euclid's division lemma. You take this theorem. The given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equals to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equals to r is less than b. It means r is the remainder here. It lies between 0 and b. Okay, a is dividend, b is divisor, q is quotient, r is remainder. Okay, dear children, this Euclid's division lemma, it is used to find the highest common factor of two numbers. Okay, already you will know how to find the highest common factor of two numbers with the help of prime factorization method. Okay, yes, now I will discuss about prime factorization method to find the highest common factor of two numbers. Okay, I will take one example. Find the HCF of 36 and 54 by prime factorization method. Okay, yes, you take this 36 and 54 like this. Okay, yes, you have to check these two numbers which are divisible by 2 or not first. Okay, yes, these two numbers are divisible by 2. Obviously you take 2 here. Yes, 2 18s are 36 and 2 27s are 54. Again, these two numbers are not divisible by 2 here. First 18 it is divisible by 2 and 27 it is not divisible by 2, but you take 2 here. Now 2 9s are 18 and 27 you keep it as it is, right? And then these two numbers you have to consider. These two numbers are divisible by 3. Yes, you take 3. 3 3 is a 9, 3 9 is a 27. Again, these two numbers are divisible by 3. Again, you take 3 here. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Yes, these two numbers are divisible by 3 here. Therefore, you keep it as it is. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Yes, you have to make a pair of two numbers like this. Okay, yes, now we got one unpaired number. You have to multiply with these paired numbers. Okay, yes, HCF is equals to, yes, you have to take one number from these pairs. 2 into 3 into this unpaired number 3. Okay, yes, it is equals to 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. This is the required HCF of these two numbers 36 and 54. This method name is prime factorization method. Okay, yes, in the 10th class we are going to discuss about how to find the HCF of two numbers with the help of Euclid's division lemma. Okay, already well known Euclid's division lemma, that Euclid's division lemma is a equals to bq plus r. R it is the remainder, b is the divisor, q is the quotient, and a is the dividend. Okay na? Yes, with the help of this we can find the HCF of two numbers. Now I will take one example. Find the HCF of 455 and 42 by Euclid's division lemma. Okay, yes, yes, in this case you consider smaller number is a divisor and greater number is a dividend. Okay na? Yes, 455 divisor is 42. Okay, you have to continue your process, division process. 42 10 is a 420, right? You subtract this 420 in the 455. Yes, now we will get 5 minus 0 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, now you consider this remainder and divisor. Remainder is less than its divisor here, therefore you have to consider it as a dividend in the next process. Okay, this becomes a divisor. You take this 42 here. Yes, then you have to continue your division operation. 35 ones are 35. You have to subtract this 35 in the 42. You will get 7 here. 7. Now you consider this remainder is the divisor, this 35 is the dividend. You take this 35 here. Okay, yes, 7 5s are 35. Yes, now we got remainder is 0. Okay, yes, which number it divides completely to gives the remainder 0, that number you have to consider it as a HCF of given two numbers. Yes, now this 7 it divides completely the 35, it gives the remainder 0, therefore HCF of 455 and 42 is 7. Understood? Okay, yes, in your textbook, one example it is given, example number 1. Use Euclid's algorithm to find the HCF of 4052 and 12576. You take it as a homework. Okay, you do it well. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay na? Thank you.